Hey, it's Big C. It is February 27th, 4:36. We're going to go ahead and do the Bowman Sterling 5 box break. And this ended on Saturday the 25th. Let's see, the sheet's all. There's everybody's name, and it did sell out, so. The old hot dog. Look, there it is. Brilliant Sterling break number 5. And then we'll go down over here. And on box 6, which will be the next one, which I think I'm going to probably go ahead and film right after this, we'll go ahead and do the box topper. So here is box 5. And here we go. It feels light. I don't know if that's means there's a redemption in there or not, but it feels light to me. It feels real light. I feel like there's really nothing in here. That is a thin one. Back here. Well, no redemption. It just feels. We got Aberquay, I don't know, for Detroit. Not numbered. Then we have Gary Sanchez for the Yankees. Not numbered. And then we have Colin Cowgill for the Diamondbacks. And the Diamondbacks will get Jalen 1, it looks like. Not numbered. And then we have Keon Walker for the White Sox. The White Sox go to Day Old Hot Dog. So that's again not numbered. And the last one is Mike Moustakas, Kansas City Royals. And that will go to Joe Gunn 13. And again, not numbered. So I'll be right back. We're going to go ahead and do this box 6. I don't know if everybody's paid, so I might not post it if you're watching this until everybody's paid. But I'm going to go ahead and do the break now while I've got the camera out in front of me. So, all right. Thanks a lot. Keep checking out my auctions. Big C 2020-14. Thanks.